Hello guys, you smartphone Blackview Oscal C20. This version 1GB memory and 32GB internal memory in the green color. Okay, a look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. And protected back cover. Okay. Device, double camera LED on the front side, display 6.1 inch IPS display, HD resolution. On this side power key, volume keys. On this side without controls, downside Type-C port, micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Under back cover we have battery and two slots for two nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Headphone jack on the upside. Okay. Okay, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have Unisoc Spreadroom SC9863A, this octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, and PowerVR GPU. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Okay, close this and open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, okay, close this and run the money game Minecraft. Game load all this time. Okay, game load. And start gameplay. Very long. Loading. And finally game load, finally, and works so on the low graphic level. Okay, close this.